Welcome back to Fab Fun. My name's Logan, and today we're going to be working on a new toolbox. Well, changing a toolbox on a John Deere 5300 from brother-in-law Dave. So we're going to try to make a cup holder, and we're going to try to make a lid for this. Stay tuned. Well, I was going to change the fuel filters, but I had to put the Massey Ferguson into regen mode. No, not really. It's not a Kubota. We're going to be working on a fender toolbox for brother-in-law David. This piece of plastic here is molded to fit the fender. The top has been missing for a while. It's a John Deere 5300, right? 5300, okay. He wants to make a cup holder for it, and possibly, if we can, fab up a steel top for a plastic base toolbox. We'll see what we can do, but we've already got a circle traced from the 32-ounce Gatorade, which is what I used on mine, and you know you're actually starting to have some success in fabricating on YouTube when people start showing up at your place saying, hey, can you make me what you made? But, you know, we'll just see what we can do. I've got a piece I think it'll work for the sides. We'll have to bend that around once we get this base cut out, and then find a way to get it mounted to the plastic base, and then we'll start looking at making a lid. We got Vincent Van Gogh here, Bob Ross, Picasso, painting it up. Cup holder, lid. We were going to put a little bit of an edge around it and then decided it was kind of overkill. Just one hinge. Hopefully it'll last for a while. Gives him a place to put a bottle of water or Gatorade or a mug for coffee, and covers up the tools that were getting wet whenever he was using the tractor and it rained a little bit. So I think he's pretty happy with it. But there's no refunds if he doesn't end up liking it or it breaks. So I'm just going to sit here by the fire and enjoy this. It is 99% less enjoyable with that door closed. But once you get a good draft going, you can leave the door open. Well, that's it for this video. We got another happy customer. So guys, if you like the content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Have fun.